Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Yeah, it's today actually Sunday. The weekend edition is Sunday, February 17th, 18th, 2024. Already saw two puzzles, not three. The 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. And it's binary time now, yes. And this one will be number 8027. 8027. Come on. Yeah. 8027. Before I start, I always count up printed digits. 21. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1. Here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes an O. Between the 1's comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1's comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1's comes in O. And we have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Here we have 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Between the 1's comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. 4 1's we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1's. Finished in 2 minutes. Wow, that's a quick one to solve. This one without comparing, told you, with 21 printed digits. It's a lot. So, but I've enjoyed this short puzzle. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. Until then, bye-bye for now.